Hey everybody, we have come again. Today is a fresh day with fresh updates. Please don't forget this object is legit. Oh. If you are a student out there or anybody at all and you think you can be able to answer questions online and get paid, this opportunity might be for you. Though it might not sound big, but then for you to be looking for urgent 2K and whatsoever, it's very good you try this out. I have a survey platform. The name of the platform is Surveoo. I discovered this online and then I tried it up about months ago. Was able to withdraw up to 35,000 naira from paid surveys. I took surveys, I answered questions, and then they credited my wallet, and then and I got up to 35,000 naira withdraw to my bank account. And now this is about a week, and I have up to 4,500 naira on my wallet again. So just imagine me taking it like this for over time. At least I will be having something to, let's say, look up to. That okay, let's say at the end of the month I'm going to withdraw 35,000 naira. And then this might be important for you as well. So try it out. Survey. I'm going to drop the link to this survey platform in the description. Click on the link and then it will take you and then register. I'm going to also drop my WhatsApp link in the description. If you got confused by the way or anything, you're confused about anything at all, just get back to me and then I'll explain on it. Or I'm going to make another video on how to log in to this platform. So um subscribe to my YouTube channel so that once I make the video, you also be part of it. Good. And then don't forget, I'm going to be dropping consistent updates and motivations on this very channel. It's going to be very nice. Understand? I'm going to be dropping consistent motivations and updates, legit updates for mostly students and people that are just starting up. It's really helping me to manage and then move forward. So it might also be interested. And in case we have a very big opportunity someday, we also drop it here for you. So don't forget to subscribe and also share this video. It's very important. Thank you all. Have a great day.